Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Do you ever come across pine cones either in your yard or while you're out on a walk or in the park and think it would be nice to prep them and use them in their home decor? Then stay tuned. This video is the second in a series that's a collab being hosted by Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. For this one, she wanted us to do a DIY haul or some exterior decorating. So I thought I would do a DIY using external or exterior elements, and mine are pine cones. So I'm going to show you how to prep these pine cones that you might find in your yard or out on the sidewalk or in a park somewhere so that they're ready to use in your home and you don't have to worry about little critters. And I would also like to ask you to go check out Amateur Decorating Like a Pro's channel, as well as the playlist for the participants in this series that I'll have linked down below when it's up and running. So now stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to take pine cones you might find outside and prep them to use in your home for decor for the holidays. I am not showing myself on camera right now because I just came back from a power walk this morning. But as I was walking, I went past a side yard of a house that had a large pine tree in it, and there were a whole bunch of pine cones all over the sidewalk. And these are big pine cones, very sturdy, very thick. As you can see, they take up more than my hand worth. So they're probably a good 5 or 6 inches long, and they're very, very hard. They don't move at all. These are beautiful pine cones. You'd pay a lot in the store for these, I think, and I found them for free. So I am going to show you how to clean your pine cones and use them in your decor. So I am going to use the oven method of cleaning your pine cones because these pine cones are pretty clean. So I am preheating my oven to 220, and I have actually put in my oven thermometer just to confirm it's not any hotter than 220. I don't want my pine cones burning up in the oven. And then I'm going to bake them for 20 minutes. But before I actually put them in the oven, I'm going to give them a good scrubbing with this bristle brush to make sure I knock out any debris that might have gotten in there, since a couple of them were sitting in some grass. My pine cones are ready to go into the oven. What you'll want to do is find a relatively flat side of the pine cone to put them on so they won't roll around too much when they're in the oven. This one's a little rolly, but that's the best side I could find for that one. And now let's check my oven. The temp says 220, and it's just below 200 in there, so I think that'll be okay. It's not too hot. So let's put them in the oven. You could wash them also with some vinegar and water, but that can make the pine cones close up. Time to take them out. That noise you hear is my fan on my oven. I'm going to let them cool over here. I don't know if you can see this, but baking them has made them really, really shiny and pretty with almost a mahogany tone. I've never done this before. I'm really impressed. I may take a bag with me next time I go for a walk and collect some more. As you can see, my oven temperature did get up to the 220 mark. My oven often beeps and tells me it's ready slightly before it has reached temperature. Did you know you can calibrate most ovens these days if they're newer ones? I had to calibrate mine. I was having a lot of trouble baking in it. Things were taking a really long time, and I checked my oven thermometer. I let the oven run for 40 minutes at temperature so I could make sure it was right, and it was way off. I had to really calibrate it. And then you need to check it probably at least once a year, maybe more if you do a lot of baking. But get yourself one of these oven get yourself one of these oven thermometers so that you can make sure you're baking at the right temperature. If you have trouble baking, that might be why. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope you learned something. I had never tried this before, but when I came across these beautiful pine cones on my walk, I thought I need to pick them up, and I actually went out again with a bag this time so I could get the rest of them and got some more. So I hope you will consider using pine cones in your decor and consider prepping them yourself. It was really easy, didn't take very long, and I am really pleased with how they turned out. Once again, please check out Amateur Decorating Like a Pro's channel, as well as the other participants in this collaboration. I thank you for watching, and if you're new to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing by clicking the subscribe button down below. I post several videos a week on how to creatively decorate and manage your home, including DIYs like this one, as well as other seasonal decorating. I look forward to seeing all of you next time. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.